There's an overload on the right side. Cross is going to come in. Villanova hits it. Deflection. Corner to Inter. And Onana's racing up. Last chance for Inter.
She got 50.